Hi, how you doing? I'm trying out something new today. I got a little grate at the thrift store, and that's not going to help, is it? I'm trying it out here. Let me see. Okay, if I balance the grate properly, it works. So I thought that would help my stove. Not a whole lot. I guess I could put bigger things on there now. But I've been reined in for a few days, and I thought it would be a good idea to get outside and have lunch in the park today. Just to get out. See, I brought my typical lunch bag. I'm trying my alcohol burner, even though it leaks. I brought my distilled alcohol here, and I just filled up for enough fuel to last for the one meal. Can't have fuel in the stove, in the burner, for long. It leaks out, so I'll just put it in as needed. See, there's a lot of people in the park today walking around, enjoying the weather. It's really warm. It's about 50 degrees or so. Yeah, it's a nice day. See how my chili's doing. It's just now heating up. Let's see. Yeah, it's hot. Should be doing something. Let it go a while. Don't want to rush these things. I'm not that hungry, okay? Okay, I finished my lunch. Everything went okay. Nobody got hurt. So, yay. I was trying to think of a better way to use this grate. It doesn't fit too well there because these metal tongs, whatever you want to call them, stick up. Can't really balance the grate on that too well. But I was thinking, what if I use one of my cups? Just place the alcohol burner inside and use the cup as my stove. Just put the grate on there. Now that would work out pretty good. So maybe next time I'll try that. A different little cooking system here. If I have something big that, or small, something that would rock around on this stove here, like this, and you fit that on there, it's, you know, it's precarious. You got to watch out. But on the grate, it's pretty steady. Yeah. So maybe I'll try that next time. Maybe that would work. Got this little grate for, I think it was $2 at the thrift store. Only thing is about cooking stuff in my cup is I don't want to get my cup filled with alcohol. I don't want the alcohol taste in my cup. So I'll have to reconsider that maybe. One good thing I could use would just be an ordinary can. Just get a can, set it on top. There's all kind of different things you could try. It's awfully windy today, so I'm gonna pack it up and get out of here and drive around the park and see what else I can get into. Look, there's a trash can, but I really don't have any trash. I take everything home with me. I can take all this stuff back and clean it up. You know, put your toys away. Don't delay. Okay. Well, thanks for joining me on this little lunch adventure. I know it hasn't been much, but I'm just experimenting here, trying to find a different way to cook my meals. And you get to watch me do that. Lucky you. Okay. Talk to you later.